Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter from Vedic Maths, a very interesting chapter, that is square, square roots and cube roots. This is a very interesting topic and very important topic in 10th class and in the future also. These are the very important topics and so interesting topics. So in this video, let us know what are squares first. Then let's go to cubes. So what is a square? Square means, we know in lower classes we have learned that square is a geometric figure. But in upper classes we will come to know that a square means y square is equal to y into y. A number multiplied by itself. See, a number multiplied by itself is known as a square. And we will represent it as y square. Means y to the power of 2. Y to the power of 2 means we are multiplying the given number 2 times. Y square is equal to y into y. Here y I have taken y here. So here I can take y, x, any letter, any variable. So here y is any given number. So what is mean by square? Square means a number multiplied by itself. Means a given number is multiplied for 2 times. Then it is called a square. In lower classes we know square means a geometric figure. So here also let us know square is a geometric figure or not. So let's see here. This is a geometric figure which we have already learned in our lower classes. This is a square means here all the 4 sides are equal. All the angles will be equal. So all the 4 sides and angles will be equal in a square. So this is a geometric figure. So let's see practically what is a square. Here I have represented the square as y square is equal to y into y. I represented it with a number. So here it is represented with a figure. So now let's see practically how these combine. So here it is a geometrical figure. Square means all the 4 sides and all the 4 angles will be equal. So how can we say that a number multiplied by itself is called a square? Why can't we multiply two different numbers and why can't we call it as a square? So here I have represented a square as a y square is equal to y into y. So let us take an example, y is equal to 3. Now here I have taken y square. Y square is a square. So y square means 3 into 3. What is 3 into 3? 9. Means we can write this as a 3 square is equal to 9. This is how we represent a square. Now let's see here. Let us take one line segment of 3 units. I have taken the line segment of 3 units. Now to form a geometric figure and to know whether y square is equal to y into y are equal, let us see practically. I have taken the line segment as a 3 units. So here in the given figure, the square has a 4 sides. 4 sides means all the 4 line segments are equal. To form a square with this line segment of 3 units, we need 4 line segments. Let's see what are the 4 line segments is. 1, 2, 3, 4. To form a square, we should have 4 sides equal. So I have taken the 4 line segments of 3 units. Why I have taken 3 units line segment same? Because a geometric figure of a square has a 4 sides equal. To form 4 sides equal, I have to take 4 line segments equal. These are the 4 line segments of 3 units. Now, if we combine these 4 line segments of 3 units to form a geometric figure, we will get a square. If we combine these 4 line segments as a closed figure, we will get a square. Let's see. This is one line segment of 3 units and this is one line segment of 3 units and this is a line segment of 3 units and this is the line segment of 3 units. Now here we formed a square with the line segments, with the 4 line segments of 3 units. So here Here we can represent a square as a S square is equal to S into S. What is S here? 3. What is 3 square then? 3 square means 3 into 3, that is equal to 9 units square. 9 units square. I shall repeat it once again. Here it is a square and we can represent the square as y square is equal to y into y. Square means a number with the power of 2, a variable with the power of 2. It is called a square, and practically with the 4 line segments equal, we can form a square. Here I have taken an example of line segment with 3 units and I have joined these 4 line segments into a closed figure. When I joined these 4 line segments of 3 units, it formed a square. Here all sides are equal. Here all 4 line segments are equal. All 4 sides and all 4 angles are equal. So here the formula is S square is equal to S into S, and here S, we have taken S as a 3. 3 square is equal to 3 into 3, that is equal to 9 units square. So now how can we know that this is a 9 unit square? So here 3 units means this is 1, 2, 3, and this is 1, 2 units, and this is 1. This is 1 unit and 2 unit and 3 units. This is 1 unit and this is another unit. So here if we join all the lines, if we join all the lines perpendicularly and parallelly, we will get 9 squares. See, let's count how many squares are there here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So here if we have multiplied here we have multiplied 3 square is equal to 3 into 3, we got 9. So practically if we consider this into the figure, we got 9 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So I got 9 units. So 3 square is equal to 9 units square. This is how we can represent a geometric figure, and we can combine y square is equal to y into y. Now let's see. Here I have taken the example of 3. So now let's see from the numbers 1 to 10. We already know that what is a 1 square. 1 square means 1 into 1, it's 1. So now let's start from 2 square. 2 square means we have to multiply 2 itself for 2 times. Why? Because 2 square means 2 is to the power of 2. As it is the power of 2, we have to multiply the given number by itself for 2 times. So 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4. Now let's see 3 square. I have explained you the example of the line segments of 3 units. That is 3 square. 3 square means 3 into 3 is equal to 9. We have multiplied the 3 2 times by itself. So we got 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Let's see 4 square. 4 square means we have to multiply 4 by itself for 2 times. 4 into 4. 4 into 4 is 60. Now 4 square is equal to 4 into 4 equal to 16. Here I have explained you with the 3 line segments. Means I have explained you 4 line segments with 3 units. Now let's see with the 4 units. Here I am taking the line segment of 4 units. I am taking 4 line segments of 4 units. Now what we have to do here, we have to join all these 4 line segments into a closed figure. Why I have to join this into a closed figure? Why? Because a square is a closed figure. There are no openings here. It is a closed figure. So that's why we have to join all these 4 line segments to a closed figure. Square is a closed figure. That's why we have to join all these 4 line segments. Now let's join. This is a 4 units of 1 line segment, and this is the 4 units of another another line segment. Next, this is a 4-line segment. So here all the line segments are of 4 units. Now let's see practically that here this is 1 unit, and another unit. Here also 1 unit. And 1 unit. Next here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now let's join all these units. So here S is equal to 4, means 4 square is equal to 4 into 4. 4 into 4 we got 60. Now let's count how many units are there here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Now here we got 16. So 4 square is equal to 4 into 4, that is equal to 16. Now let's see another number with a 5 square. 5 square means we have to multiply the given number by itself for 2 times. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. We can do this 5 into 5 is equal to 25 in the like this by taking the line segments. We can take 4 line segments with the 5 units. Then we can form a closed figure with the 5 units. Then we will get 25. Now let's see 6 square. 6 square means 6 into 6. We have to multiply the given number by itself for 2 times. Then we will get 6 into 6 is equal to 36. Next 7 square. 7 square means we have to multiply the given number for 2 times. 7 into 7 is equal to 49. Next 8 square. 8 square means 8 into 8 is equal to 64. Next 9 square. 9 into 9 is equal to 21. These are the squares. I have explained it to you from the 2 square to 9 square, and we can easily know why 1 square is equal to 1 into 1, that is equal to 1. Next 10 square. Let's see what 10 square. 10 square means 10 into 10, that is equal to 100. These are the perfect squares. These are the perfect squares. Now let's recap once again. A square means a number multiplied by itself for 2 times. A number multiplied by itself. Now we can represent a square as y square. Y square. Why are we representing it as a y square? Y power 2. Why not y power 3? Here we are representing y power 2. Y power 2 means square. Y power 3 means it is called a cube. So y square we can read it as a y power 2. That is y into y. A number multiplying by itself. Here y is any given number. Here I have taken the example y as a 3. 3 square. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 4 square. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 5 square. Like this I have taken so many of examples from 1 to 10. So this is the squares, square roots and cube roots chapter. Now in this video we have completed squares. In next video we will come with another new interesting topic, and in another video we shall know more about squares. Thank you.